Welcome to Art and Animation Tutor. In this tutorial we are going to learn how to make a text clipping mask. Add a text to the layer. Align it to the center of workspace. Open an image and drag it to the document. You can see this image on New Layer. Now go on the image layer and press Alt with left mouse click. Clip mask is applied. You can see image merged with text. Move and adjust the layer as you want. Now we are going to apply clip mask to each alphabet. For that, follow the steps as shown in video. Open an image. Select the object with rectangular marquee tool. Copy and paste the object to document. You will see an object to New Layer. Go to this layer and press Alt with left mouse click. Clip mask is applied. Move and adjust the layer as you want. Now follow same steps for each layer. You can also erase the unwanted part with eraser. See the result. Did you find it interesting and helpful? Then don't forget to comment what you want to learn next. We will make a tutorial for you. Thanks for watching. If you like our tutorial, do like, share and comment. Don't forget to subscribe and click on bell icon to get notification on new tutorial upload.